What's up, guys? So I'm creating this little mini series just to document and show how you can possibly make $100 per day with Clickbank. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it, but the goal is to make $100 per day. And I just want to make this little mini series just to document step by step exactly from A to Z what exactly I do, the traffic methods I'm using, different things like that, just so I can show a complete beginner how you can start off not knowing anything and possibly hopefully work your way up to $100 per day with affiliate marketing using Clickbank. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so right here I laid out a step-by-step process on what I'm going to try to accomplish and get sales on Clickbank. So like I said, this is going to be my first time ever promoting on Clickbank, so this is just a case study to see if it actually works or not. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to find an offer on Clickbank to promote, and I'm going to choose the make money online niche. That's what I want to go after. You can choose any niche, but we're just going to do this case study for the make money online niche. There will be future case studies, and I'll choose other niches down the road so that we can test it out. The next step we're going to do, step 2, is we're going to create a landing page. And the whole point of creating a landing page is to collect emails. We don't want to just select an offer on Clickbank and then basically send the traffic directly to that Clickbank offer, because A, it will seem sort of spammy and we're not trying to spam people, and B, you're missing out on collecting emails. So what we want to do is create a landing page to collect emails so that in the future we can retarget those same people with a different offer. So if I'm in the make money online niche and I create a landing page and collect, let's say, 50 emails, I can then in the future send an email out to those same 50 people and promote a different product or even my own product. So that's the plan with that. And then we are going to, step 3 is send traffic to the landing pages. And what I'm going to do with this one is we're going to test out solo ads, and we're going to have basically someone send 50 to 100 clicks to our landing page and see how that converts. And then step 4, we just sit back, relax, and get sales. So this is my 4-step process that we're going to do, and I'm going to break it up into separate videos just so that we can go step by step, and you can join me on the process to see how well I do, or if I don't make any money at all. Alright guys, so we are currently inside of Clickbank, and what we're going to do is go to Marketplace to search for a affiliate or a product to promote. So as you can see here are the different categories on the left that you can choose to see any good affiliate offers and products or services to promote. But what I like to do, and what I found that a lot of other people do too, is when you go to find products right here and then you click on the magnifying glass, it'll bring up a search result for basically everything on the marketplace. And what I've come to find out is that you want to look for or what I will go for is items or products or services that we're trying to promote that have a pretty high gravity score. I don't know exactly what the gravity score means, but from what I can tell and through my research, the higher the gravity score, the more popular that product or service is. So if you know what exactly that means, just comment down below, because I actually am curious to find out. But what we're gonna do, because I want to find a product that was just recently added, we're going to change the date to basically just recently, and this gravity score is 52. I'm going above 30, I'm trying to find an offer that's above 30 basically, and I want to choose. Let's go with this one. So I have it pulled up here, and I actually went through the video, and they're basically also, I believe, selling a course on how to make X amount of money per day from Clickbank. So I think this is a good offer. So what we're going to do is choose this one, and we're just going to send traffic to this this affiliate offer on Clickbank and see how it does. So now that we found our offer on Clickbank to promote, step 2, we are going to create a landing page to collect emails, because remember, we're not trying to just send our traffic straight to Clickbank. We want to send them to our landing page so that we can collect emails and in the future retarget them. Alright guys, so now we are going to create our landing page so that we can send the traffic from Clickbank to our landing page and collect emails. So the software I use is Builderall. It's pretty cheap compared to many other softwares that I've tried to use in the past. Like ClickFunnels is $100. With Builderall, I just paid $30 a month, and I can make as many landing pages as I want, and a various of other things like a script generator and things like that. But I'll make another separate video for that. So what we're gonna do is go to drag and drop Pixel, and then go to my sites, and it pulls this page up. So as you can see, these are all my sites, and I'm gonna click on the Clickbank offer so that we can go to it, because I want to show y'all how you can edit it and what it looks like. So this is the landing page that I created. As you can see, it's pretty simple. I just want to test it out and see how it converts and works. I might change it up if I see that it's not getting that many conversions, but it only took me probably 30 minutes to create. So what I'm going to do is send the traffic to this headline: the secret Clickbank hack is generating me $1,007 profit every single week in total passive income. Learn the exact secret in my free video. So what they're going to do is click watch video now, and it's going to send them to this page, and I have almost there. Just enter your email for instant free access to my video. And what's going to happen is they're going to enter their email address, and this is very key. This is where we collect their email so that we can retarget them in the future if they don't purchase. So when they do enter in their email, it's going to send them to this page, and I'm going to allow them to decide if they want to buy it or not. And I'll be able to see and tell just through tracking them if they actually bought or did not buy, and I can just keep retargeting them, and I have their email so that I can go back and retarget them and send them other offers to other affiliate products that they may be interested in, and just retarget them down in the future. So let's say I spent some money on ads, I can recoup and break even basically, if not on the front end but on the back end of the funnel. So that's why we want to collect emails. Alright guys, so the next step 3, is to send traffic to that landing page. So the form of paid traffic I'm going to be using is solo ads, and the website I'm going to use is called Udimi. And there's going to be a link in the description below if you want to check it out. You don't have to, but if you click on that link, you'll get $5 to go towards your solo ads, so it'll help you out a little bit. So what we're going to do is click on find sellers, and what I like to set my settings, where I'm going to set my settings at, just from doing a little bit of research, I want them to have at least 200 visitors, and this is a good price range between 35 and 95 cents. And I want the ratings, I don't want it to be 500 plus, because the more ratings there are, the more saturated, more competition there's going to be. So let's put it in the middle at 200, and this is what we come up with. So you want to do your research on the people providing the ads, guys, because you don't want to lose and waste your money. So let's take Adrian for example. We're gonna click on him. So we're going to want to choose only top tier, and as you can see, it says you will receive only visitors from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore, and that's 10 cents per visitor. And I'm going to do no mobile just because our landing page was optimized for a desktop. And so what you would do is you would grab your link from Builderall, and you would just right click and select copy link address, and then you would go back to Udimi and you would paste it, boom, right there. And we don't want 200 visitors. We want to test it off with 100, or even less than that if you want. You can do, well, we're gonna leave it at 100. So that's 63 bucks, and what's gonna happen is they're going to send all of their people off their email list, or send 100 visitors, I should say. They're going to send 100 visitors from their list to our landing page, and we're going to see if we can collect their emails, and if we can get lucky and make some sales on the front end. But really, I'm trying to make my $63 back, either on the front end or back end. That's my plan. So if we don't make it on the front end and get sales, we'll make it on the back end by following up with an email sequence, retargeting them to the same offer or another offer, and just see what happens. So that is what the plan is going to be, guys. So right now I'm just going to add to cart and order it, and we'll actually, before we do that, I'm not going to choose this guy. I'm going to do more research. So go back to find sellers, and we're going to just search and see who will be the best basically option for us. We want to look at their likes, dislikes, how much traffic they're actually sending, their opt-in rate. Make sure the opt-in rate is above 30% and they're using tier 1 traffic. So yeah, you want to do your research on this, guys, and I'm going to show you, I'll show you who I choose in episode 2 of the case study, and who and how much traffic I got, the sales and everything like that. So if you could drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when episode 2 comes out of this case study in regards to promoting on Clickbank to get $100 per day. So we'll see what happens, and I will see you in the next video.